Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your DMs in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and conversations. From here in the middle we find the DMs. If we tap on this, then we get the list of new messages that we received, or we can search messages here in the search bar, and we can even start new messages by tapping on the little icon in the bottom right corner, or we can add the teammates, so we actually have someone to message. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.